Helo, fy enw I yw Amelia ac rydw I yn blwyddyn 13. Mae flin gen I am peidio dod heno. Hi, I'm Amelia and I'm in year 13. I'm so sorry that I couldn't come this evening. O'n I jyst eisiau sôn am fy amser ym Mroeden. Gyheiddes I yn flwyddyn 7 fel disgwyl swyl ond gyffrous ac yn awyddus iawn I lwyddo. Wedi cael 9 seren ar gyfer fy canlyniadau tygau, nes I astudio maths pellach, cyfrifiadureg, a ches I 2 A B yn y pynciau hyn ym mlwyddyn 12. Fy nes I cais I cas ac wedi cael fy nerbyn yn Warwick, Caerfaddon, Loughborough a Bristol. My journey through Mroeden has flown. I arrived in year 7 fresh from Borerog. I was quiet, shy, but excited and ready to learn. After Llangrannog, Llanllyn, a German exchange in Grinstadt, the Oxford Summer School, all the extracurricular opportunities possible, I have 9 A stars and 4 A's under my belt from GCSE results, and 2 A's and a B from my AS Maths, Further Maths and Computer Science in Year 12. The UCAS process has gone very well for me. I currently have 4 offers from Russell Group universities, Warwick, Bath, Loughborough and Bristol. Still waiting to hear from Oxford though. This would never have been possible without all the support I've received since that first day in Year 7 at Mroeden. Diolch yn fawr i'r staff am y holl gymorth ges I. Rydyn ni gyd wedi dod yn bell ers y cabanau ar y iard.